Yung wala pa gani, naka-feel mo na ang pain. Time to be admitted.
Huh?
First when you're a baby. Yes. And then now.
What happened to me when I was a baby?
Pneumonia like Sean. There's a cough.
Like so,
Like Sean.
did I almost dead like Sean?
Yes. Because you kirig-kirig. Less like that.
Like that? When I jump? Jump?
No, did not jump.
Because I don't know how to jump yet.
Yes.
9:30 last paracetamol.
I'm not excited for my injection. Today. I'm scared. I'm scared for my injection, guys. Later you will see me how I cry when I injection.
Okay.
The long or small? How can you find the veins with that?
Here, oh. Look.
May X-ray pa rin si mama?
See?
Here?
Opo. Don't move your hand, ha? Huwag mong
watch ka.
iganon, oh, ha?
Pag galaw mo yan, mag-inject ka 10 times.
Another side.
Yes, 10 times.
Small needle tayo. Oh, don't.
Dito ka mami magtingin.
Opo, small needle.
Huwag ka magtingin dyan. Si mami ka
Wait,
magtingin.
gunitin lang yun yan, dire. Baby, ano lang? Small needle lang. Opo, small needle. For baby.
For a baby.
Guniti lang siya.
Atras ka dito. Oh, don't use yun. Hold it. It's sterile, baby.
Huwag mo tignan, magsakit yan pag tignan mo.
Oh,
Si mami ka magtingin.
Wala
Si
pa.
mami ka magtingin, gani.
Nagkusgali.
Kusgan jud na, ma'am.
Huwag ka magtingin. Dito ka mami.
Dito ka sa akin magtingin.
Dito ka mami ka magtingin. Si mami ka magtingin. Kala ko si Loki ka.
Yung wala pa gani, naka-feel mo na ang pain.
Nasa third floor na
Tingin. Hindi yan masakit. Hindi yan masakit. Hindi yan masakit pag dito ka magtingin. Oh, hindi yan
Yes.
masakit pag dito ka magtingin. Dito ka na magtingin.
Strong ka man.
Kala ko si Loki ka.
I'm done.
Finish
Okay,
na.
done na.
I'm done na.
Oh.
Oh, look.
It hurts. It hurts.
Finish na. Oh, finish na.
Done na po. Won't move, ha? Ilaw na lang, Kuya Jun. Thank you po.
Huwag mong galawin yan, mo. Kasi i-inject yan ulit. Huwag matanggal yan.
Hi guys, I'm finished with my injection and this is what happened. and this is
Ikaw
what
lang
happened to my arm.
Ikaw lang ang proud nag-i-admit ba? Ay, naku.
I look at mommy but I still feel the pain of the injection. The injection is, I still feel the pain in the injection. When are we going to the second floor? Not yet?
Later pa. Oh.
Later? What time?
Later pa.
Okay.
No, don't touch lang. Huwag
So,
sige
there's a
touch.
heart here.
Oh, hayaan mo lang yan.
Last one. Okay.
Sit down properly.
Hello guys, it's my second
First day, first night,
first
first day here.
first day here because the last time it was the first night there. It's the first
Not too loud because we're
first
having
day
a...
here. It's the first day here.
And what did they do to you on your second day? First thing in the morning,
They inject me for my
laboratory.
laboratories and I will do ultrasound.
Later.
Yes,
Yes.
later. See you guys later.
Are you strong? Did you
Yes.
cry?
Yes.
Is it is it good or no?
You just cry a little, Mom.
Hmm?
Diba?
Yes. Hi guys. Sean will do some drawing here in the hospital so that he will not be bored. While watching One Piece. You wanna start now?
Yes.
Okay.
Give me your cell phone so I can draw.
Okay. Hi guys, we're doing some
Drawing.
drawing and coloring here.
Mommy is coloring and I'm drawing.
Yes.
Yung pa ko na,
Di ka na Jod.
masikat, makakanta na.
Mabiral. Say hi guys.
Bye.
I'm going to have ultrasound.
Inahin kay ating ultrasound sa kay Lindsay.
Ay, naku.
Stop the video.
Stop ka dito. You can eat na.
Did you bring the
Pansit. Ay, ano lang. Bihon, Ate Bibing.
Mommy, when will they remove? Hi guys, I'm going home now.
I'm okay.
I'm gonna have a follow-up check-up
On
on
Thursday. I'm good na. Thank you, Jesus. Say thank you to Jesus.
Jesus.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Again.
Yeah.
Alive, alert, awake, going home.